Hi guys, and let's go in the garage, alright? Alright. Now, remember, the video before Ingleworld, remember Ingleworld? Remember the $15 Facebook challenge in Planet Earth? It has the most views of Ingleworld. Yeah, I'm excited, alright? Just a reminder, that is it, alright? Alright. Well, anyhow, we're gonna record. We're gonna review the computer keyboard, alright? I'm clumsy today. So here's a computer keyboard. We not have any PCs. Not anymore. But this looks like a typewriter, but it's not. No, it's not. So sorry. Alright. I did put the keyboard back. Alright. Let's go say hi to my 3-year-olds and dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Yep. Hi, Liam. Yep. Hi, Lana. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to do a seven round triple jolt challenge. So remember, hop, skip, jump. Right? I'll be right back. Okay. All right. Well, I turned on the TV, so I'll play Xbox. Xbox 360. Xbox 360 has been discontinued for years. Yeah. Only how let's do the 7 rounds triple jump challenge, right? Remember, run first, and then hop, skip, jump. There. Hop, skip, jump, right? First round, go. Hop, skip, jump. Alright? Second round, go. Hop, skip, jump. Third round, go. Hop, skip, jump. Fourth round, here we go now. Hop, skip, jump. Fifth round, go. Hop, skip, jump. Sixth round, go. Hop, skip, jump. Seventh final round, go. Hop, skip, jump. I'm tired now. Man. I need that say so. Oh man. So, that'll be it for now. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comments down below, okay? Please subscribe. Bye-bye. See you real soon. Bye. See ya.